Meaning of endless.
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 Endless. Endless refers to something that has no limit or boundary and continues without stopping. This term can be used to describe a variety of things such as time, space, or possibilities. The concept of something being endless is often associated with infinity and is perceived as both attractive and daunting. It can evoke feelings of awe and wonder, but also a sense of the unknown and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Ultimately, the idea of endlessness challenges our understanding of what is finite and what is limitless, leaving us to ponder the depths of existence itself.